There are roughly 295 new vehicle franchise dealerships in Washington state. Virtually everyone has used vehicles. Plus, there are almost 500 independent used car dealerships. That means nearly 800 Washington state dealerships are selling used vehicles, not including those sold by private parties. And every vehicle's value is established by NADA, Kelley Blue Book, and others. So if the vehicles are similar, everyone is selling them for about the same price. So why get a used vehicle from the Sunset Auto family? Well, you just get more at Sunset. Like more for your trade, like warranty protection for life, honored at any ASE repair facility in the US and Canada for as long as you own the qualifying vehicle. And now, only at Sunset, used vehicle financing as low as 3.99% APR, courtesy of Sound Credit Union. So it's not necessarily that you'll pay less at Sunset, it's just that you get a whole lot more at Sunset. Go to sunsetautofamily.com. You'll see hundreds of vehicles just waiting for you to take home. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.